Hello and welcome to today's video where we are answering the question, what business licenses do I need for my California business? Starting a business in California can be exciting, but it also comes with its own set of challenges. One of the most important steps that you'll need to take is making sure that you have all the necessary licenses and permits to operate legally. This video will walk you through what you need to know about business licenses in California. Now, before we get into which licenses you need for your new California business, let's take a quick look at the 4 steps that you need to take before getting your business licenses. Step 1 is having a solid business plan. Before you dive into the specifics of licenses and permits, it's crucial to have a solid business plan. Think of this as your business's roadmap. Business plan outlines your goals and the steps that you'll take to achieve those goals. It includes details about sales, marketing, advertising, promotion, and location. So if you're unsure on how to start, check out the U.S Small Business Administration website. They offer a helpful tutorial on how to create a business plan. Step 2, choosing a location for your business. Finding the right location for your business can make a big difference in your success. If you need help deciding where to set up shop, contact the California Business Investment Services, or CalIBIS, unit of the Governor's Office of the Economic Development. CalBIS offers tailored site selection services to help you find the perfect spot for your business. Step 3, decide on your business structure. Your business structure affects your taxes, personal liability, and other paperwork. In California, you have several different options. Corporation. A corporation is a legal entity that is separate from its owners. Limited liability company, or LLC. This offers liability protection to its owners. LLCs are great for most beginners because they provide liability protection and make it easier to open a business bank account. Limited partnership. These consist of one or more general partners who manage the business and one or more limited partners who invest money but have limited liability. General partnership. This is 2 or more people who share ownership and management responsibilities. Limited liability partnership, often used by professional groups like lawyers and accountants. Sole proprietorship, owned and run by one person with no distinction between the business and the owner. And you can find more details on the entity types website. S corporations, or S corps, are also worth considering as well. They offer great tax advantages by allowing income to pass through to shareholders, avoiding double taxation. Now, for a deeper dive into each of these business structures, be sure to check out our other videos on StartupWise, which we'll link above or down in the description below. We go in depth on the pros and cons of each option, helping you make the best decision for your new business. Now, moving on to step 4, file your tax and employer identification documents. Now, before you can start operating, you'll need to file your tax and employer identification documents. This usually means applying for an employer identification number, also known as an EIN, with the IRS and registering with the California Department of Tax and Fee Administration for sales tax permits. An EIN is crucial for your business as it's used for tax purposes and to open a business bank account. Now, if you have no idea where to get started with the business bank account, we've got you covered with detailed videos on how to get your EIN and why it's important. So be sure to check out those videos on the StartupWise channel. We'll link them down below. Additionally, having an EIN and the necessary tax documents is essential for setting up your business bank account. We'll link our favorite business bank accounts down in the description below, along with our favorite business credit cards as well. So you can choose the best options for managing your finances in your new business. Now, moving into step 5, determining which licenses and permits you need for your business. So now that you've got the basics covered, it's time to find out what licenses, permits you need to run your business legally in California. Most businesses in California will require at least one type of license or permit to operate legally. Here's how to find out which ones you need. Using CalGold, the gold standard for permit assistance, CalGold is an online resource that helps you find the permits and licenses required for your business. Here's how to use it. Visit the CalGold website. Go to calgold.ca.gov, enter your business type and location. So in the search bar, type in your business, for example, restaurant, retail, consulting, as well as your city or county. From there, just review the results. CalGold will provide a list of permits and licenses that you might need, along with contact information for the appropriate agencies. So let's go ahead and look at a few different examples of this. Example 1. So let's suppose that you're starting a restaurant in Los Angeles. What you'd go ahead and do is you'd enter restaurant in Los Angeles into the search fields. Los Angeles, and from here you can go ahead and select whatever county county you plan to do business in, we'll go ahead and select Beverly Hills. Down here in the business type, we'll go ahead and type in restaurant and click search. Once you hit search, CalGold will then show you a list of permits that you might need, such as health permits from the local health department, building permits from the city, possibly a liquor license from the Department of Alcoholic Beverage Control. Let's look at another example. Maybe you're starting a home-based consulting business in San Francisco. Here's how you'd use CalGold to find out what permits and licenses you need. Again, visit the CalGold website, go to calgold.ca.gov and enter your business type and location. So for this example, we'll go ahead, type in San Francisco, and we can just select San Francisco County. And from here, we're going to type in consulting, and we'll go ahead and select marketing consulting services. And we'll go ahead and hit search. Now, CalGold will provide a list of the permits and licenses that you might need, such as a home occupation permit from the city of San Francisco, and possibly a business license from the county. As a consultant, you might not need as many permits as something like a restaurant, but you'll still need to comply with local regulations. For example, a home occupation permit ensures that running your business from home won't disrupt your neighbors. Additionally, you'll likely need a general business license from the city to legally operate your consulting business. And we'll go ahead and take a look at one more example here, starting an online retail store in San Diego. Now let's imagine that you're starting an online retail store based in San Diego, California. Here's how you'd find out what you need. Again, we're going to go to calgold.ca.gov and we'll type in San Diego here. We'll go ahead and select Carlsbad. And for here, we'll go ahead and type in online retail. So after you fill out the business type as well as the location, CalGold would provide a list of permits and licenses that you may need, such as seller's permit from the California Department of Tax and Fee Administration and a business license from the city of San Diego, along with potentially others. Now, for an online retail store, you'll need a seller's permit to collect sales tax from your customers. Additionally, even though your business operates online, you'll still need a general business license from the city of San Diego. This ensures that you're compliant with local business regulations and can legally run your online store. Checking with the Department of Consumer Affairs. California Department of Consumer Affairs, or the DCA, oversees many of the professional license in the state. So if your business involves professional services like cosmetology, contracting, or real estate, then you'll likely need to check with the DCA. And here's how you can do that. Go ahead and visit dca.ca.gov, which will bring you to this website here. From there, go to the Department of Consumer Affairs. Next, what you're going to want to do is find your profession. So look through the list of professions and click on the one that matches your business best. After you've found your profession, go ahead and review the requirements. So the DCA will then provide details on the licensing requirements for your profession, including any exams, fees, and continuing education. For example, if you're starting a salon, you'd find the Board of Barbering and Cosmetology on the DCA website. They'll give you information on how to get your cosmetology license, the required exams, and any continuing education that you may need in order to maintain your professional license. So once you're here on dca.ca.gov, we can go ahead and hit license search. And from here, under license type, you can go ahead and select the license that would apply to you in your profession. So for the example we just talked about, we'd come here to license type, scroll down under barber, and we'll go ahead and select the cosmetologist and hit search. Now, some other resources to consider. So apart from CalGold and the DCA, there are other resources you should definitely check out to ensure that you have all the necessary licenses and permits for your new business in California. First up is the local city or county clerk's office. Your city or county might have additional requirements. What you want to do is visit your local city or county clerk's office website or give them a call to find out if there are any local business licenses or permits that you need to obtain. Secretary of State. If you're forming a corporation, LLC, or partnership, you'll need to register your business entity with the California Secretary of State. Their website has all the forms and information that you need to get started. California Department of Tax and Fee Administration. If you're selling goods, you'll need a seller's permit from the CDTFA. This allows you to collect sales tax from consumers. Visit the CDTFA website for more information. Occupational Occupational Safety and Health Administration, or OSHA. If you have employees, then you'll need to comply with workplace safety standards. Check out the California OSHA website for guidelines and resources on the specifics. So, starting a business in California involves more than just a great idea and a solid business plan. Ensuring that you have all the necessary licenses and permits is a crucial step to avoid fines and legal issues down the road. By using resources like CalGold, the Department of Consumer Affairs, and your local city or county offices, you can make sure that your business is compliant with all the legal requirements. Taking the time to get this stuff right from the beginning will help you build a strong foundation for your business's success. Simplify your business licensing with LegalZoom. Getting the right business licenses can be confusing, so let LegalZoom make it easy for you. For just $99, you'll get a personalized report with all the license and permits that you need to operate your business legally. It's super quick and easy. Just answer a few questions and LegalZoom will handle the rest. Stay compliant. You know exactly what you need to avoid fines and so you can operate smoothly. You'll also save time, so get direct access to all the necessary applications with LegalZoom. So don't stress about licenses. Click the link below down in the description to let LegalZoom take care of it for you. That's all for this video. I hope that this was valuable for you, and if you enjoyed this video, please be sure to leave it a like and subscribe for more videos just like this. Here on this channel, we make a lot of how-to guides and tutorials dedicated to helping out new entrepreneurs start their own business. So thank you guys so much for watching. We really appreciate it, and we'll see you in the next video.